see some trains.
We're gonna go see trains?
Yeah.
You pretty excited about that?
Evan loves trains.
Evan, do you love trains? Oh, I guess no comment. Alright, we'll see you inside.
We're in the Krohn conservatory. It's a little humid in here. After being outside, the glasses fog.
Apparently. This is a tree that was donated by the John Neiman Nursery. And these ornaments on here are handcrafted ornaments that were made by the park board volunteers. And look, there's several owls. Look, there's that owl up there. Made from a couple of nuts. And Skipsy noticed this one first. Don't touch! Don't touch. Look at that one.
Owls.
If you haven't figured it out by now, Skipsy really loves owls. Very cool. Alright, want to look at some trains? Alright, where are we going?
We're going to go see the train.
Alright, let's go. Excuse me. There's Santa on the front and a little elf on the back. I did. Yeah, if you haven't noticed, Skipsy loves owls and she also loves purple. So, oh, look at here. Percy.
Oh yeah, did you see Thomas?
Oh, is he?
There's the conservatory.
And that's where we are right now.
We're in there. I think we're over here in this part.
What do you guys think?
Cool.
It's pretty cool.
I love the conservatory.
Yeah. I don't have any more coins left. We left them at the Salvation Army bucket in Walmart. Oh, Mommy's got some. There you go. Mommy's got a. Evan, you can throw a penny in? Oh, almost. You gotta make it to the water, buddy.
Much better.
Give penny in?
Overhand throw is much better.
Okay. And there goes Thomas. Back there is Union Terminal. For anybody that saw Johnson JB80's video with his trains, he was at that museum looking at another train display. That is the museum, isn't it? Did you see it? Where's the museum? Oh, here comes Thomas again.
Right there.
Where's the museum?
Right there.
That's it over there, isn't it?
Thomas is going to.
You got a pretty sharp eye, buddy. And there goes Thomas.
Thomas is going to the museum.
And he's going right by the museum, isn't he? Where's he going?
A waterfall and a nun.
How much of that waterfall do you think is real? None. It's very dark in here.
It's quiet in here too.
Very quiet in here.
You got cool.
You stay out of that hole. Come on. Come on, old boy.
It's quite a blistery day in the Cincinnati area. It's been raining all day. So why are we out and about hoofing it while I'm carrying a heavy stack of potato sneaky monkey? Well, we came on Tuesday to the conservatory to see the train display and found out that they do it nighttime where it's all lit up. And they do it Thursday nights. So we're here tonight, and this is the last night they're doing it. And from what I hear, Santa Claus is supposed to be here too. So we're gonna go check it out. I guess this is the cactus room. I didn't make it over here on Tuesday. This is pretty cool. Ooh. Can you go in here?
You can't. It's the orchid house.
Evan, stay with us, buddy.
He's running.
Come on, Ev.
Come on, sneaky monkey.
Evan, we went that way.
this is the Orchid House. Back in the cactus area, and I stumbled across something that's kind of interesting. This here, this would be what I might call a fuzzy phallus. It's definitely, it's kind of, the needles are so fine, it's almost fuzzy looking. And that's definitely be a fuzzy phallus. Or cactus. We got Santa here. Now, Eric was a little bit too afraid of Santa to sit down for a picture, so let's go picture of our boys with Santa. But we're back to the trains. The same trains we saw Tuesday. Well, they told us to come back on Thursday night, because when it's nighttime, it's just magical. But they have these great big giant floodlights that are lighting the whole area. It doesn't seem much different than it did in the daytime on Tuesday. So a lot of the buildings aren't even lit up. I was kind of expecting to come here and have it be rather dimly lit and have all the buildings lit up from the inside, but I guess such is not the case. So I'm glad we made the extra trip back.
Is that an Immaculata church up there?
Very interesting. And there's Thomas again.
Look, Allie, Thomas the train.
Here's something that's kind of neat, though. This is the area we were in on Tuesday with the waterfall way off in the distance. I don't know if you can see the waterfall, but, well, just a couple seconds ago they had some mist coming out of the misters or something up top, but now they're not misting. Mister. They just had like a power surge, and I don't know if they were switching over from daytime to nighttime or whatever, but as you can see, the floodlights are now off, and they just had this ambient lighting, and this is a lot more of what I was expecting. See a little train coming through here. Now, probably not a lot of this is going to be picked up on video, but you can see the buildings are really lit up. Some of them are anyway. This is exactly what I was expecting. This is what I was hoping for. You can see, look at the bridge just lit up where the trains are. It's very cool.
Is this what you had in mind?
This is what I had in mind. Here comes Thomas. This is much, much better. And the boys are loving it. We almost just left and would have missed all this. This is what I paid the extra admission for to come back again.